This lemon raspberry mascarpone tiramisu is light, creamy and full of fresh citrus flavor. The result is an elegant dessert that feels refreshing, delicate and perfect for spring, summer or any special occasion. Make the egg base. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites into 2 heat-proof bowls. Add 2/3 of the sugar to the yolks and whisk over a double boiler until the mixture becomes pale, thick and fluffy. Add the remaining sugar to the egg whites and place them over the double boiler as well, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. The mixture should not become too hot. Remove the egg whites from the heat and beat them until stiff peaks form. A good test is to turn the bowl upside down. The egg whites should stay in place. Make the cream. In a separate bowl, beat the mascarpone together with the yolk mixture until smooth and fully combined. Add the whipped egg whites in a few batches, folding gently with a spatula until the mixture becomes light and homogeneous. Add the lemon zest and mix again. Make the raspberry layer. Add the raspberries, sugar and water to a saucepan. Bring to a boil and cook until the mixture thickens slightly. Add the lemon juice and cook for another 2 minutes, then remove from the heat. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove the seeds, then let it cool. Add the dissolved gelatin to the cream and mix until fully incorporated. Make the lemon syrup. Squeeze the 2 lemons into a bowl, then add the water and sugar. Stir or whisk well until combined. Assemble the dessert. Dip the ladyfingers briefly into the lemon syrup and arrange them in the bottom of your dish. Spread a layer of the mascarpone cream over the top, then add some of the raspberry layer. Repeat the layers with more soaked ladyfingers, cream and raspberry sauce. Refrigerate overnight so the dessert can fully set and the flavors can come together. Decorate as desired before serving. This dessert is fresh, creamy and beautifully balanced, with sweet raspberry flavor and bright lemon notes in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and follow Shuk Vibes for more easy and delicious desserts.